Now I'm going to show you how to create a perpendicular plane of an sketch. After having the sketch, I have to come to the feature and then click reference geometry, select plane. If I click on a curve, it will create a parallel coincident plane of that curve. All I have to do is click on a point where I want it to be perpendicular. So one of the use of creating such plane is that you can easily create a 3D object that is going through that previous curve. So all I have to do is accept, and I'm gonna create a circle, for example, at that point, right? So that circle is created. Now I'm gonna select that circle and go to feature. I'm gonna do swiped boss. Yeah, now it's selected, so it's showing here. Now all I have to do is select the path and see how we can easily create a contour of 3D object using creating this perpendicular plane of a sketch. So I accept, and that's your drawing. Thank you.